We've got 44 miles to go, 45 miles to go to Daytona.
What's wrong?
The crab pot's right in the channel.
'We're leaving St. Augustine. We're heading to Daytona today, and it's going to be a rainy, wet day.
44 miles to go, 45 miles to go to Daytona, and the weather is going to be a little wet. We've had that before, and we're going to anchor out in Daytona, so we're going to find that spot and hope there's room, and then fall back to plan B. I got a couple anchorages picked out. We stayed last night, actually tied up, and it was not a restful night. It was bouncing around, it was blowing, it was raining, it was boat life.
What's wrong?
The crab pot's right in the channel.
Oh my gosh. Yep. So we are on the Intercoastal. We are heading south. All morning we've heard on the radio pan-pans, or I guess they saw somebody reported to the Coast Guard 2 orange flares off of Ormond Beach.
Coast Guard Sector Jacksonville, Florida, Coast Guard Sector Jacksonville, Florida, Coast Guard Sector Jacksonville, Florida, break. 11:20 coordinated universal time, 07:20 local. The Coast Guard received a report of 2 orange flares in the vicinity of Ormond Beach.
So it's been all over the radio. One of the reasons why we are going on the Intercoastal has been really rough out there.
Yeah, it's just too rough. And what's weird is we're here just south of Matanzas Inlet, running down the Intercoastal, and it's as calm and quiet and not a breeze. I thought I might be able to get a motor sailing today, but it's just super quiet.
All vessels are requested to keep a sharp lookout, assist if possible, and report all sightings to the Coast Guard. Signed, Commander, United States Coast Guard, Sector Jacksonville, Florida. Break.
So hopefully those people who are out there are okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
Got ourselves an early morning departure from Daytona. We're at it's a really nice marina. Really enjoyed it, and we're heading to Titusville today. We got a few challenges along the way. There was a lot of dredging going around. On the way north, we ran aground, bumped, and then had to back off in New Smyrna. And so going south, the dredges are supposedly done, and we're going to be taking the bypass, which is blocked before. So we're looking forward to being able to have a smooth ride. But there's a bridge just after the inlet that is open on the hour and half hour, and the tide's going to be pushing in real hard. So that's going to be a challenge today, to hold the boat up and not have it be swept under the bridge. So that's where we're going to have our challenge today. So here we go. Oh, if we were out there together?
No, we just passed him on the way south. I don't know where he's at now. He's an island pack of a cold splash of water, and I thought we knew whiskey. You should travel together.
Oh.
That's funny. I like it deep. Got a rocket launch. Here we are, we're just crossing from Mosquito Lagoon over to the Indian River. This is Haulover Canal that connects the two. In the old days there was a original Haulover. It's just a little bit further to the side of us that was dug, and they called it Haulover. That's where the steamships would stop. They'd haul all the products over to the other river and then reload them again and keep going. Eventually they dug a canal. So this is Haulover Canal on North Merritt Island. Bridge, thank you for the opening. This is Whiskey. Stand by. To the left. Look for a D dot.
Yeah, I'm down here. If you bow in, it's a port side tie.
That's D-Dock right there. I see her.
I'm out on the finger pier waving at you.
I see her.
Tell me where I'm going, Sean.
It's 2 boats in. Turn at this right here.
Okay.
And it's
Yeah, we're
2
going
boats.
to be
You're
port
gonna be
side
the you're gonna be the third one.
starboard, just be port side. It's the other side, Shell. Well, that's the starboard tie, isn't it?
I thought you said port.
$138 or $139?
Right here.
Thanks for joining us this week. If you like the videos, like and subscribe.